Some people may seek ways to lighten or reduce pigmentation, e.g. dark spots or uneven skin tone, and while no drink can specifically target melanin production, some foods and beverages contain compounds that are believed to have skin lightening or antioxidant properties. These may help improve the appearance of the skin overall. 1. Lemon water. Rich in vitamin C, lemon is often associated with skin lightening as it can help reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. 2. Green tea. Contains antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which can help protect the skin from UV damage and potentially reduce the appearance of pigmentation. 3. Turmeric tea. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric contains curcumin, which may help with skin health and lighten skin over time. 4. Aloe vera juice. Often used for its soothing properties, aloe vera can help with skin regeneration and may improve skin tone. 5. Papaya juice. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which may help exfoliate the skin and lighten pigmentation naturally. It's important to note that if you're looking to reduce or lighten melanin in your skin, it's best to consult a dermatologist for advice on effective treatments and ensure that you're using safe and evidence-based methods. Additionally, it's essential to protect your skin from UV rays by using sunscreen regularly, as exposure to sunlight can increase melanin production.